Hello dear students, this is your Jagan Sir from iSpectrum Educational Institutions, Hyderabad, Madhapur. Now we are going to discuss product of two vectors. Number one is scalar product. Scalar product. Here the first point is if multiplication of two vectors if gives a scalar as the resultant, that is scalar product. That is scalar product. That means here this we are representing actually with a dot b. Now a dot b means ab cos theta, and this is scalar magnitude, and here no direction representation is present. No direction representation is present. Now you can say that the product of these two values are scalar here. A scalar here. Okay. Then next point is special cases, and I can give you an example. Example. Let us observe force into displacement. Force and displacement both are the vectors, and multiplication of these vectors are giving us a scalar. So this is scalar, and multiplication of these two vectors giving us scalar value. Okay. Then next point is here some special cases. Let us see special cases. Suppose number one, get theta is equals to 0 degrees, a dot b is equals to ab cos 0, which is equals to ab, magnitude of a and magnitude of b. That is a dot b is equals to magnitude of a into magnitude of b. Now second case, get theta is equals to 90 degrees, a dot b is equals to ab cos 90, that is a b 0, then a dot b is equals to 0, and this is maximum value, this is minimum value. And the next point, let us see third case. If theta is equals to 180 degrees, a dot b is equals to ab cos 180, that is a b minus 1 is equals to minus ab, and this is negative maximum value. Negative maximum value. Okay. Now next one is dot product of two vectors, unit vectors. Dot product of unit vectors. See here, let us assume this is I, this is J, this is K. Okay. Now, if I am multiplying one more I here, that means I dot I is equals to 1 cos 0 degrees, because I and I both are parallel to each other. Obviously, the angle between these two is 0 degrees. Then here 1 1. That means I dot I is equals to 1. Similarly, J dot J is equals to 1, K dot K is also equals to 1. Okay. Now let us come for I dot J. I dot J means this is I, this is J. Angle between these two is 90 degrees. That means 1 cos 90 degrees. That means 1 0 0. I dot j is equals to 0. Similarly, j dot k is also equals to 0. Similarly, k dot I is equals to 0. This is how the dot product of two unit vectors takes place. Clear? Then next one is properties of dot product. Properties of dot product. Properties of dot product. Here, see number one, commutative property. Commutative property. That is I, sorry, that is A dot B is equals to B dot A. It is possible in dot product. Okay, commutative property is possible in dot product. And number two, associative property. That is A dot B, right? A dot B plus C is equals to A dot B plus A dot C. This is also not. This is also possible in dot product. And these two are the properties of dot product. And the next one is vector product. Vector product. Vector product means if multiplication of two vectors if gives a vector as the result and resultant, that is vector product. Okay, and here dot product does not represent any direction, so we are not considering direction representation while we are solving or while we are using dot product. But vector product is representing a vector as the answer. That means it must has a direction. So the vector product is representing like A cross B is equal to A magnitude B magnitude sine theta n cap. N cap is the unit vector. Unit vector. A unit vector is having magnitude 1, but it gives in which direction the resultant is present. For example, I cross J. Let us say I cross J. Now I J sorry I J having magnitudes 1 1 sine 90 and n cap means here I to J. If I am rotating my fingers, then thumb gives the direction of resultant, that is K. K. Therefore, I dot J is equal to K cap. Okay. Similarly, K dot J dot K is equal to I. Similarly, K dot I is equal to J. And here we must note one point as I cross J is giving us K as the answer. But if I am rotating from J to I, then the thumb is representing inside the board. That means J cross I is equals to minus K. So I cross J is not equals to J cross K. So this is called anti-commutative property. Okay. Then next one is determination method. Determination method. How can we find A cross B value as here AXI, BXJ, CXK cross A, sorry, A cross B AXI plus AYJ AZK cross BXI BYJ BZK. Now the procedure for finding the resultant is A cross I, sorry, A cross B is equal to I J K AX BX AY AZ Bx By Bz. So this is the representation of determination method. In this determination method, the procedure is I, when I am finding for I, multiplication of these two, that is A by Bz minus AZ By. Now for finding J, we have to write it J Ax Bz minus, we have to follow like this, Bx Az plus A for this one, Ax By minus Ay Bx. And this is the answer for A cross B, and this is the procedure for writing determination method. Right? And if you have any queries, you can message us in our YouTube channel. We will try to rectify your doubts through our YouTube channel, iSpectrum Educational Institutions. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.